My name is Promise Hlongwane. I'm 39 years old. I've got 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. My passion is my family and my job. I love what I do. I'm the hospitality team leader for Thanda Safari. I've been in the hospitality industry for 18 years and I've been at Thanda for 13 years.
Yeah, I'm Truman Jobo, 50 years old, half a century. My job is what makes me tick. I love what I do. I'm the Reserve General Manager of Thanda, responsible for operations and infrastructure. Security is one of my main things that I spearhead, as well as the infrastructure, the roads, as well as water supply and water maintenance.
My job entails taking care of the guests from the time they arrive at the airport in Durban. They are my responsibility to the time they get to Thanda, and making sure that their stay is a memorable stay. I love learning about other people's culture, what they do in their country, and I love sharing my culture and I love sharing my life experiences with the guests.
I've been involved with Thanda for the last 21 years, started in 2004 as a senior guide, which I stepped into head guide position. I spearheaded that for 9 good years. And thereafter I took the reserve operations, security, as well as the workshop and the vehicles maintenance and the roads and infrastructure. So I've been doing that for the last 12, 13 years, and it's something that I like, and it's something that I definitely make sure everybody gets what they need.
With the new rural residence estates coming in, I really see myself in the future running few of the homes as the hospitality manager, and I'm really excited about the new projects that are happening at Thanda, and I feel there's going to be more employment for our community people and getting people skilled and getting them to have more experience in what they're doing.
Now, I would like to see myself out recently with the new development of the new estate. I see myself running the Nav Center and making sure all our guests are safe and they protected, they feel secure, and they've got all their needs are taken care of. There is enough water, a very beautiful game reserve, well looked after and well taken care, and everything done ethical. So this is a big project that I look forward to.
On my day off, I love spending time with my family. I'd love to spend as much time with my children as I can, as my work takes most of my time. Even though we stay in the same house, sometimes I leave home, it's very early, they're sleeping, I come back at night and they're fast asleep. So I'm a very family oriented person. I love spending time with my husband. So every chance that I get free is family time.
On my time off, I love working on my plants. I love working on my animals. I love walking around the yard and making sure my garden is clean. There is something between me and plants and the garden, and I try to instill the love on plants.